Watch this video before you make the mistake of choosing the wrong forex broker in Singapore. Ignoring key factors like local regulations, trading platforms, fees, customer service, and others could put your investment at risk. And that's why we've compiled the list of top forex brokers in Singapore, putting into consideration these factors and many others. Singapore is the leading forex center in Asia Pacific and the third globally, with its financial regulatory body known as the Monetary Authority of Singapore (MAS), ensuring safe and transparent trading through its mandatory capital market services license and strict financial regulations. MAS regulations requiring segregated client funds provide substantial protection to clients' deposited capital in cases of brokers' liquidation, but this does not cover trading profits and losses, and they do not have any form of specific liquidation compensation fund, which is unlike other brokers we've reviewed in the likes of UK and other countries that have their own compensation funds. The MAS regulated brokers on this list provide accounts in Singapore dollars and a leverage of up to 1:20, as well as negative balance protection, providing traders with a secure trading environment and protection for their investment. This emphasizes the importance of verifying whether or not a broker is MAS regulated. To do that, first log on to MAS website on mas.gov.sg. Take your cursor to the regulation tab on the menu bar above. Go down to the quick link section and click on Financial Institutions Directory here. On the search bar, type the name of the broker. Let's say we want to search for Saxo. Scroll down to click on the broker and you will see the full details of the broker's license and the contact. So that settles regulation verification. Mind you, we did this for all the brokers on this list. Without further ado, let's proceed with Forex.com. Forex.com, which was founded in year 2001, is a part of the StoneX Group, which is a Nasdaq-listed independent financial services provider. In Singapore, as at 13th April 2025, the StoneX Group transitioned its Singapore operations from City Index to Forex.com. So officially, City Index in Singapore is now known as Forex.com. With its regulation in Singapore by the MAS, it is also regulated by 8 other regulators, including top-tier regulators like the UK's FCA, Canada's CIRO, Cyprus's CISEC, amongst others. And due to this MAS regulation, its margin call is set at 50%. Traders using Forex.com can access their flagship mobile app, which utilizes the TradingView technology, and it is available both on Android and iOS devices. Other platform options include their WebTrader and TradingView, which is known for its trading community. They also offer MetaTrader 4, where you can carry out automated trading with their expert advisors, and it is also available on Android and iOS devices. Why this suits various traders? Those needing advanced tools often prefer MetaTrader 5, which is unfortunately not available here. The cost of trading with Forex.com varies depending on the chosen account type. For retail traders, the available options are the standard and the MetaTrader 4 accounts, but you can connect your standard account to the TradingView platform. Professional traders can access VIP accounts or accredited investor status, which comes with exclusive benefits but also requires meeting specific criteria and understanding certain limitations. Both the standard and the MetaTrader 4 accounts offer fixed and variable spreads as low as 0.5 pips for major currency pairs like the Euro-USD pair, while that of the Euro-Singapore dollar pair starts from 6 pips, which is on the high side. Meanwhile, only the standard account charges commission on shares trades, like a standard commission rate of 0.08% and a minimum of 10 Singapore dollars for Singapore equities. They charge or pay overnight financing fee, otherwise known as swap fee, for holding your positions overnight, and if you hold a short position in a borrowed share CFD, you will be charged a borrowing fee, but not all markets incur this charge. Also, back-to-base currency conversion fee is charged when your profits or your losses realized from a trade is converted to your account-based currency. And if your account is without any trading activity for 2 years, a monthly inactivity fee equivalent of $15 or your account balance, if it is lower, applies. A triggered guaranteed stop loss order attracts a premium charge. Additionally, the Italian Financial Transaction Tax (IFTT) is applicable to CFD trades with Italian underlying market, and a 2% fee is charged for deposits made using debit or credit cards, but you may be charged transaction fees by the bank or service providers when making deposits or withdrawals. Meanwhile, credit and debit cards, Pay Now, internet banking or FAST, bill payment or wire transfer are the available mediums for deposit and withdrawals, and the minimum deposit and withdrawal amount is $150, but when depositing through credit or debit cards, it is $250 with a maximum withdrawal limit of $20,000. Trading with Forex.com can be done in over 6,000 markets, including over 80 Forex pairs, over 6,000 shares, over 20 indices, and commodities including precious metals like gold and silver. As earlier said, Forex.com offers risk management tools like the guaranteed stop loss orders as well as knockout options. The difference between these two is that the guaranteed stop loss orders serves as a safety net that stops your losses exactly where you want, regardless of market slippage, while knockout options are like special bets you place on the price of an instrument, which in this case includes Forex, indices, and commodities. But there's a catch. If the price reaches a certain level, which is the knockout level, your bet automatically ends and you lose the trade. On the Academy Hub, you can gain access to a number of trading education like courses, lessons, platform guides, glossary, webinars, and seminars. Research, trade ideas, and co are all available on their news and analysis hub. To contact Forex.com, you can start a live chat, submit your message request with this form, give them a call, or send them a message. Let's head on to the next broker, which is CMC Markets. Established in 1989, CMC Markets started operation in Singapore in the year 2023, and it is regulated by MAS alongside other regulators like Canada's CIRO, Australia's ASIC, UK's FCA, and others. Opening an account with CMC Markets, aside from their professional account for expert traders, is dependent on the trading platform you choose. Their platforms include the proprietary next generation platform available on web, Android, and iOS devices, and then MetaTrader 4 and TradingView, which are both available on web, desktop, Android, and iOS devices. Notably, the FX Active account, offering spreads as low as 0 pips on 6 major pairs with a fixed commission of 0.0025% per transaction, is accessible only through the Next Generation and MetaTrader 4 platforms. But generally, spreads can go as low as 0.5 pips for the Euro USD pair and then 2 pips for the Euro Singapore dollar pair, while commissions are charged only on shares CFD trades with a 0.1% and a minimum of 10 Singapore dollars commission rate on Singapore shares. But before you can view the price data of a share CFD, you need to activate market data subscription, and this can be charged monthly depending on the share involved. Holding costs, otherwise known as swap fees, are charged when positions are opened overnight, depending on the instruments traded. But forward contracts on indices, Forex, commodities, and treasuries are not subject to this charge. A monthly inactivity fee of 15 Singapore dollar will be charged when your account is without a trading activity for 1 year, but your account will be protected from negative balance. And if you resume trading activity, the 3-month deducted charge will be refunded. More so, if you set guaranteed stop loss orders and it is triggered, you will be charged a fee based on the instrument in question. A 2% transaction fee will be charged when utilizing the credit and debit cards payment methods, and a DBS bank charge of 10 Singapore dollar when using inward telegraphic transfer. You will be able to trade CFDs in over 12,000 markets, including over 80 indices, over 100 commodities, over 10,000 shares, over 1,200 ETFs, over 30 shares baskets, over 50 treasuries, over 330 Forex pairs, and over 15 cryptocurrencies. And you can also trade Countdown on 27 of their most popular Forex, indices, and commodities. Countdowns are trades you make on the short-term price movement of financial markets. To deposit or withdraw from your account in Singapore dollars, you can use fast transfer, which is the fastest method, and then credit and debit cards, pay now, bank transfer, MEPS, bill payment ATM transfer, NETS at their Singapore office, and inward telegraphic transfer for overseas transactions. They have zero minimum deposit requirements and a maximum withdrawal limit of the Singapore dollar equivalent of $40,000. The education and insight segment of CMC Markets provide traders with access to trading guides, platform tutorials, trading glossaries, seminars, podcasts, ebooks, and market news and analysis. Plus, you can contact them via their live chat, phone call, or email, or you can visit their office. That takes us to our next broker, which is Plus 500. Established in the year 2008, Plus 500 started operation in Singapore in the year 2017 with an MAS Capital Market Services license alongside other regulations from 7 other regulators in other jurisdictions like FCA, ASIC, SISEC, amongst others. For retail traders, Plus 500 restricts trading to a single CFD account accessible only through their proprietary trading platform, which is also available on Android. Although premium services exist for professional traders, the exclusive use of one account type and one trading platform limits traders' flexibility, access to a wide range of trading tools, and their ability to manage their risk effectively. Let's talk about their fees. They charge no commissions, only spreads ranging from 0.5 pips for the Euro Singapore dollar pair and 1.6 pips for the Euro USD pair. Plus, you will be charged overnight funding or swap fees for positions held overnight. A currency conversion fee for trades in currencies differing from the account currency, a premium for activated guaranteed stop loss orders, and a monthly inactivity fee of $10 for accounts without login for 3 months. This 3-month inactivity period is noted as the shortest amongst all the brokers reviewed in this video, suggesting that their focus is on maintaining active traders. They exempt fees for payment and withdrawals, and they also cover most payment processing fees. They have provided over 2,800 tradable instruments, including indices, Forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Their payment methods include Visa and MasterCard credit and debit cards, PayPal, bank transfers, Pay Now, Apple, and Google Pay. And their minimum deposit differs according to payment methods, but it ranges between 200 Singapore dollars to 500 Singapore dollars, while their minimum withdrawal ranges from 70 to 150 Singapore dollars. Their Trading Academy features a number of resources that are mostly in article format, and they are suitable for all traders of all levels, not to forget their FAQs. And then you can contact their customer support via live chat, phone call, email, and WhatsApp, or you can visit their office. Moving on, let's talk about OANDA. OANDA started operations since 1996 and it has an MAS license, not to forget that it is licensed by other regulators in other jurisdictions. OANDA offers a standard account for retail traders and then a premium account and a premium plus account for professional traders who meet their criteria. They provide 2 pricing models, which involves a spread-only option with Euro USD spreads starting from 0.8 pips and then Euro Singapore dollar from 2 pips, and also a commission plus call spread option featuring spreads as low as 0 pips alongside a fixed $30 commission fee. For Singapore clients, OANDA offers free deposits and withdrawals, though bank or service provider charges may apply. Financing or holding charges are incurred for positions held open beyond a single day, which is not just only overnight. An inactivity fee of 10 Singapore dollar per month is charged after 12 months of no trading activity unless there is an open position. A currency conversion fee is applied to any profits, losses, fees, or commissions resulting from trading instruments denominated in a currency different from the account-based currency. You will also be charged a premium when you set guaranteed stop loss orders, and it is triggered on indices, gold, and Forex CFDs. Although OANDA and Plus 500 have similarities in account types, since they only offer a standard account for retail traders, OANDA can be traded on two other platforms apart from their proprietary web and mobile platforms, which are MetaTrader 4 and TradingView, unlike Plus 500. If you are a trader that loves trading shares, OANDA may not be fit for you because they do not offer share CFDs, but they offer other CFD instruments including Forex, metals, cryptocurrencies, indices, and commodities. Pay Now, DBS Bill Pay, PayPal, Fast, and bank or wire transfer are all the available payment platforms. Meanwhile, there is no minimum deposit requirement. On OANDA Learn, trading resources in video formats including webinars and in article formats are made available for all traders, including news and analysis and FAQs, not to forget the OANDA Trade tab blog, all to help build your trading knowledge. And then to reach out to their customer support agents, you can do that via live chat, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, SMS, or call through their local numbers and through their email address, or you can walk into their office. The fifth broker we will be reviewing is Saxo. With a 2001 banking license from the Danish FSA, Saxo Bank AS, the parent company of Saxo Group, is authorized to accept public deposits in Denmark. Saxo Group also maintains banking and financial licenses in countries like Switzerland, the UK, Hong Kong, Australia, Italy, and Japan, all of which are subject to local regulatory control. Like Saxo Markets holds a capital market services license from the MAS. Saxo has classified its tradable instruments into leverage and investment products. The investment products includes over 23,000 stocks, over 7,400 ETFs, over 5,200 bonds, over 18,300 mutual funds, and a range of cryptocurrencies, while leverage products include options, CFDs like index CFDs, stock and ETF CFDs, and commodity and bond CFDs, and then Forex, crypto Forex, futures, commodities, and Forex options. Saxo is the only broker on this list that offers a really wide range of tradable instruments, which is over 70,000, and they are way beyond CFDs. So you have a long list of tradable instruments to trade, but they only offer one account for retail traders, just like other brokers we've reviewed earlier, and this account is called the classic account. But professional traders can opt for their premium account and then their VIP account. Their investment products have commissions starting at $1 for US-based instruments, while mutual funds have $0 commission, custody, and platform fees. For leverage products, commissions begin at $0.75 per lot, with spreads starting from 0.4 pips for Forex. On their classic account, spreads for Euro USD starts at 0.7 pips and for Euro Singapore dollar at 1.2 pips. Saxo applies financing costs to margin products like single stock CFDs held overnight, as well as for margin lending. These rates are calculated daily on the leverage portion of the trade. Additionally, a currency conversion fee of up to plus or minus 0.25% is charged on each transaction when converting trade profits or losses, but this fee does not apply to margin collateral, meaning that when you use assets as collateral for margin trading, the conversion cost is not charged on the collateral itself. Making deposits is free of charge. However, withdrawals incur a 50 Singapore dollar fee if requested through the mutual funds withdrawal form or via telegraphic transfer. No inactivity fee and no custody fee for trading Singapore quoted stocks and ETFs, but fees apply for using their trading platforms and for the custody of other stocks, ETFs, and bonds. A minimum ticket fee of $10 is charged for small trade sizes, typically 50,000 units of the base currency for most currency pairs. Classic account users who request reports via mail will incur a reporting fee of $50 or the equivalent in your base currency. Saxo Bank does not charge any fees for transferring securities into your account from other brokerage firms, allowing for cost-free consolidation of holdings. However, for each security transferred out of Saxo, you will incur a fee of €50 per International Securities Identification Number (ISIN), with a maximum charge of €160 per transfer request. Additionally, placing orders via phone, chat, or email will result in a manual order fee of €50 per order, except for products not traded on their platforms. For clients requesting Form 1042-S, which reports U.S. income for non-U.S. individuals to the IRS, Saxo Bank charges a €1,000 handling fee per income year unless specific conditions are met. They also have fees for its proxy voting service, which allows clients to participate in shareholder meetings and cast votes related to their investments. It involves a €30 annual subscription fee and a €5 charge per vote, both exclusive of VAT. And then the classic and the premium account holders will be charged $20 for each new instrument they add to the platform, while VIP clients are not charged. In the case of account closure, should a client neglect to close all open positions and withdraw their funds before the indicated closure date, Saxo Markets may levy an administration fee of $100 or your account balance if it is lower. Let's talk a little about margin utilization and compulsory closeout policy. Traders are responsible for actively managing and monitoring their accounts to meet margin requirements. Failing to do so can result in automatic position closures and potential financial losses. Understanding and adhering to those requirements is crucial for controlling trading activities and minimizing risk. This is another broker on this list that does not offer third-party platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader, but they have their own list of platforms, which are Saxo Investor, which is a mobile app and a web platform where you can trade specific instruments like stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds, and then Saxo Trader Go, which is a platform for trading all the products they offer, and it is available on web and as a mobile app. Lastly, they have Saxo Trader Pro. This is a platform for professionals and it comes with advanced trading features, and then it is available on desktop. Amidst their own proprietary platforms, you can also trade with Saxo on the TradingView platform. And then Saxo is the only broker here that offers stop loss orders that are not guaranteed. As a Saxo Market client, you can use local payment methods like the Electronic Direct Debit Authorization (EDDA) or EGIRO, and then FAST, Pay Now, and MEPS, but other methods are available for international transactions. And they have also made available a number of trading resources that is available both in video format and in article format. And then you can reach them via their local phone number, live chat on their platforms, or you can even go to their office, or better still, use FAQ for quick questions and answers. But you may need to schedule an appointment through the mentioned mediums to be able to visit their office for meetings. Forex.com, CMC Markets, Plus 500, OANDA, and Saxo Markets are all good brokers to trade with. But remember that choosing the right broker is only the first step in your trading journey. It is essential for you to stay informed, keep learning, and adapt to market changes. Plus, the best broker still depends on your trading style. For beginners who wish to take the next step in trading and expert traders alike, consider opening a demo account with any of the brokers we've reviewed in this video to test your trading strategies risk-free. And when you're ready to go into live trading, make sure you are equipped with the right knowledge and the right tools needed to succeed. Check out the links to sign up with any of the brokers in the description below. Let's keep the conversation going. Share your experiences and even ask your questions in the comment section below. We're here to support you in any way we can. Also, visit our website at safeforexbrokers.com/sg for more brokers review. And if you intend to see a more detailed review of any of the brokers we've reviewed in this video, check out our brokers review playlist right here. Do well to like this video and share, and then subscribe to this channel for more trading information. Until I come your way again, happy trading.